Hell, hell, hey.
If you want to see more, subscribe to Desi with a Modern Touch.
Great videos, more to come.
And yummy food.
Oh, so good.
Love the seasoning.
Oh.
Mm. Wow. That's really good with them.
Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. Alhamdulillah, I am good. तो आज की वीडियो बहुत ही मज़े की होने वाली है. तो आप लोगों ने थंबनेल पे भी देख लिया होगा और यहाँ पे बिरयानी भी देखें कितने मज़े की लग रही है. तो सबसे पहले मैं अपने जो गेस्ट हैं उनको इंट्रोड्यूस कराती हूँ. सबसे पहले ये छोटा सा गेस्ट हुसैन. ही इज़ नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. वो बस खेलने में मगन है. तो मैं भी आप लोगों को पहले अपने गेस्ट से मिलवाती हूँ. तो सबसे पहले मिलिए मेरी नेबर. आप इसको काफ़ी वीडियोस में देख भी चुके हैं तो अभी ये खुद ही इंट्रोड्यूस करवाएगी. यस मिस डी.
Hi, I'm Dee, and I love Tazine's cooking, and I'm glad that she invited us over here to try something. I know I'm gonna love it.
Oh. And the next.
Hi, I am Josiah, and this is my mom, and I am very excited to eat.
Oh, yeah.
My name is Naya, and I am Josiah's girlfriend, and I'm also very excited.
Oh, that's good. What? Who is it?
Hey guys, my name is Isaac Naya. Because one of my favorite siblings is my brother Josiah, and one of my best parents is my mom, and my best Naya.
Oh, thank you. तो अभी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो चलिए भाई अपनी प्लेटें तैयार कर लें. Come on.
Do you guys know what is this? What is this?
Chicken, rice,
Biryani.
Yeah, it's called biryani. Biryani. This, yeah, it's one of the very famous dish in India and Pakistan. So they say a lot.
Indian and Pakistan.
Yes.
What's that? You are funny.
Okay, मैं अभी आप लोगों को 1 by 1 सबका रिएक्शन दिखाती हूँ. ये देखिए फर्स्ट बाइट मिस्टी.
Okay, here we go. I love the seasoning.
Oh.
Yum.
Yeah. The next person, Mr. Josiah.
Alright, I want to get a full bite. I think I'm going to put some chicken on here.
Yeah, you can.
There we go. Wow. That's really good with the sauce.
Right.
Amazing. Really good.
Hey, Mr. Anaya.
All right, let's see.
Is this spicy for you?
No, the heat is perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Isaac, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm born ready.
Yeah, come on. Isaac, it's your turn. Isaac, how is it?
It's so good. This is my favorite brand.
Oh.
Your favorite one, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Even mixing it with the salad.
My husband at the end.
Salad really adds like a
Who is-
freshness to
Oh
it.
yes. Oh, this is good.
सही बनी सही दास दो.
First impressions? What do you think?
It's good?
Good. Not bad, not bad. Really
No, and it's really not a strong hot.
Okay.
No,
Is that hot for
just
you?
has-
Is that hot for you?
No, it's just a little bit of spice.
Uh-huh.
A little bit of heat.
That's cool.
The biryani needs to be a little spicy.
Yeah. And are you ready to eat? Mama want to shoot your reaction. हुसैन, मामा आपका रिएक्शन करना चाह रही है. पापा थोड़ा सा इसके मुंह में डालिए. ये देखिए. Oh. Come on. Oh. हुसैन कैसी बनी है बिरयानी? मामा को बता दो.
You want to
Does
eat
he
too,
like
huh?
it?
मामा को बता दो. Oh. हुसैन look at.
That is really delicious, Tazeen. Thank you.
Did you try
Very, very
the
good.
sauce? It's really good. If you mix it all together, it really just...
I like spicy.
It's just the flavors. It's really, really good.
Really right.
I did.
Isaac, is that spicy? Is that spicy?
A little bit spicy.
Start with sniffle.
Where you want to go?
Right?
Pepsi.
Okay.
Yum.
Husnain, are you okay?
I'm good.
Are you crying?
No.
You are crying. Oh, you are
I didn't get a
crying.
lot of potatoes
It's-
last time. I gotta get some.
मिर्चें लगी हैं. Isaac, मिर्चें लगी हैं. Is that spicy?
Yeah.
Are you crying?
No.
Oh, Isaac, don't cry.
Yo, Keisha.
Isaac.
Keisha.
He is playing.
There you go, Liam.
Because the spiciness is bringing it.
Very nice.
So how you guys like the biryani?
It's delicious.
Amazing.
So will you guys go to the next time you guys go to the any Indian or Pakistani restaurant? Will you guys order this?
I literally was just thinking that.
Yeah.
I was just thinking, now I know exactly what to get.
But there's always like really, different type chicken, beef,
Mutton.
mutton.
They have like different
Oh,
kind.
pork.
No.
No.
I don't think so.
And if it's
but-
not as good as yours, I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna say they messed it up.
I don't think so. You're gonna get better than this, but
I don't think so.
यहाँ बीवी को मक्खन लगाया जा रहा है. हस्बैंड की तरफ से कह रहे हैं कि इससे अच्छी बिरयानी आपको कहीं नहीं
He's
मिलेगी.
growling.
What you doing, Husnan? Whoops.
Hey Dee, how was the biryani?
Very good. A little spicy, hence the tissue for the nose, but not too hot that I couldn't eat it. But it was delicious.
Okay. Hi Josiah.
It was delicious, very, very spicy, but very, very good.
Oh, that's cool.
It was delicious. I love the spice.
Oh, that's good. Hi Isaac.
So good. I love spicy. I want spicy.
And you are crying.
And how many plates has Isaac eaten? 3?
3.
That's his third
No,
plate.
that's his fourth
Fourth.
plate.
Oh, fourth plate.
Oh, that's good. It's a good compliment for me.
Yes.
now I just give you the best compliment.
We
Yes.
say yay to the chef. Thank you so much.
And what about husband?
Was pretty good, Perfect.
How many plates
Perfect.
you eat?
Maybe 3 or 4. But I filled them up. I didn't eat like half. I had a full plate.
Okay.
I had 2 plates. It was delicious.
Yeah, I had 3.
It's okay.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Better on my mom.
जी, तो मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप लोगों को आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. तो अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो जल्दी से वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और शेयर कर दें अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड के साथ. और अगर आप लोगों को इस यमी बिरयानी की रेसिपी चाहिए तो ऑलरेडी मेरे चैनल पे है और मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी डाल दूंगी इसकी रेसिपीज़, तो आप वहां से इस यमी बिरयानी की रेसिपी भी देख सकते हैं. और अगर आप लोग पाकिस्तानी, इंडियन किसी भी फूड का अमेरिकन पीपल का रिएक्शन देखना चाहते हैं तो वो भी मुझे बताएं, फूड सजेस्ट करें. और अगर इस तरह की वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आ रही हैं तो मैं और इस तरह की वीडियो भी डालूंगी. तो आप इंस्टाग्राम पे भी मुझे फॉलो करें और फेसबुक पे भी फॉलो करें. दोनों पे ही देसी विद मॉडर्न टच के नाम से है. अदरवाइज़ आप मेरे चैनल के अबाउट में जाएंगे तो वहाँ आप लोगों को डायरेक्ट लिंक मिल जाएगा जिस पे आप क्लिक करेंगे तो फ़ौरन इंस्टा पे देसी विद मॉडर्न टच और फेसबुक पे देसी विद मॉडर्न टच पे चले जाएंगे. तो जो भी नया देखने वाला है मुझे सब्सक्राइब कर ले मेरे चैनल को. तो इंशाल्लाह मैं नई वीडियो, नई रेसिपी के साथ मिलूँगी. अपना और अपनी फैमिली का बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें, मुझे दुआओं में याद रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
Allah Hafiz.
हुस्नैन, अल्लाह हाफिज़.
I love you.